Thinking about moving to Knoxville, but you don't want the same old lower cost of living pitch? Well, as someone who was born and raised here and now helps people move to the area, I'm going to share with you 5 perks of living in Knoxville that only the local would know. These are the hidden secret gems of Knoxville, and it's many of the reasons that many people fall in love with it here. Let's jump into it. Perk number 1, waterfront lifestyle without all of the beach crowds. You don't have to live at the beach to have a true waterfront lifestyle. Here in Knoxville, life revolves around the water if you want it to. There are so many lakes, the Tennessee River that runs right through downtown, and there's so many uses for it, whether you want to get a boat and take a sunset cruise, you want to wake up in the morning and go paddleboarding, or maybe on your drive to work, you just have Fort Loudon Lake on both sides of you and it just puts you at peace. Having the water is a true benefit here, and you don't have to deal with the hurricane insurance, you don't have to deal with all the congestion of living in a beach town traffic, but you get to enjoy all the benefits that the water offers. Perk number 2, big city arts and culture hiding in a small town package. Knoxville has this creative heartbeat that surprises many of its newcomers. Whether it's the Dogwoods Arts Festival, First Friday Art Walks, or you're visiting the Knoxville Art Museum, there's so many ways to get connected into the art culture here in Knoxville. Maybe you're into the music scene. We have tons of artists that come to Knoxville and perform here at our venues, and you don't have to worry about the big ticket prices or the long wait list or the traffic that comes after a concert, which I know can be a nightmare. We have tons of musicians that actually originated very close to Knoxville, like Dolly Parton and Morgan Wallen and tons of other. Every single year that they come back, they just bring more and more people with them, and we just see more and more artists coming and playing in these venues in Knoxville. Perk number 3 is national park backyards and 4-season playgrounds. Of course, everyone knows about the Smoky Mountains, but the locals know that it is more than just hiking. There are tons of different biking trails. There's so many different resorts. You can go and camp in the mountains, rent an RV, so many different options for that. You can drive out and go to a ski resort, which is a super fun thing to do because nobody here is too good at skiing. So if you are really good, you can show all the locals up, which would be really exciting. But having the Smoky Mountains in our literal backyard, being able every single day to look at the views of them, and then just be a short drive up to go and take a day trip. Go to Gatlinburg, go look for bears in Cades Cove. It's super fun. We do it all the time. And then having the seasons that we do makes it so much better, number 1, to raise children. We do have some cold days, but all of our temperatures are very, very mild, which leads us to be able to enjoy our playgrounds and outdoors all the time, especially in the summer. Some of you all that are coming from some really hot places in Texas or Arizona or wherever it might be, you can't go on the playgrounds during the summer because the children literally might get hurt. We don't have to deal with those extreme temperatures, especially never for long amounts of time. So that's something that's a really good hidden perk here in Knoxville. Perk number 4, hyper-local food and craft culture. Knoxville is a hidden gem for farm-to-table food and craft everything. The chefs here in our restaurants work directly with a lot of the different farms that supply some really amazing food. We have places like the farmers market downtown that's larger than a lot of the big city farmers markets, and might I say, even better than a lot of the large city farmers markets. We have so much food always being brought here to Knoxville. It's just homegrown, and we have all of that around us, so it's very easy to access it, and it's not pricey. We're also a craft beer powerhouse, and we have one of the largest numbers of independent coffee roasters here in Knoxville. So number 1, if you're a beer lover, you're gonna have tons of different pubs and distilleries and places to go, try all different hundreds of types of beer in some really cool atmospheres. And if you're a coffee lover like me, you're gonna have endless options to choose from. You'll find one that suits you. Perk number 5, community energy you can feel. There's a reason that Neyland Stadium on game day gives you goosebumps, even if you're not a college football fan. People from all around Knoxville, hours away, drive in, and if you're wanting to get rooted, it is one of the easiest ways. Knoxville is so welcoming that if you just go around the first week that you're here and start talking to people in coffee shops and restaurants and different pubs and breweries, you're gonna learn that nobody here's hardly locals. They're not people who've lived here their whole life. They've had the same best friends and they're going to keep that friend group until the day they die. They're people, they're transplants. They moved here for work. They moved here for school. They moved here for a better life. There's so many people like that you're going to learn to meet. And even the locals, everybody just wants to get to know one another. There's so many things like game days that bring us all together, and we have such a common interest of just enjoying each other and having fun and just loving where we live that it's super easy to get connected. So those are my 5 uniquely awesome perks that Knoxville has that you might not know if you just do a little search online. If you're thinking about moving to Knoxville and making it your next home, go ahead and reach out. We hear from people every single day looking to relocate to Knoxville for Many of the same reasons, and if you've been thinking about it, but we're just a little scared that you might be too early in the process, or you might have a lot of questions, go ahead, reach out, ask us the questions. We'll set up a Zoom call and we'll figure out how we can best help you make Knoxville home. Till next time, I'll see you around Knoxville soon.